Have you ever gone to share your website URL in Facebook and had it pull in a random image and text from the page that you didn't intend to use as the preview? Well, I often get asked how you can control what shows up here, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that makes an authentic connection with their dream clients. And if you're going to connect with your dream clients, you need to show up in a professional way. So when you go to share your website on social media, if it's not pulling in the message and the imagery that you're intending, it can often look unprofessional, and then your audience won't pay attention to what you have to offer. So you've got to control what shows up as the preview when you go to post your URL. The good news is it's an easy fix, so let's dig into the tutorial. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. When you go to Facebook and you go to share your URL, you put it in and you hit post, and then you can see that sometimes the image doesn't show up exactly how you want. This one's cropped a little bit. And this also happens in a second occurrence when you go to add it as a comment into a post where it just doesn't show up exactly how you want it to look. It's cropping this image here. Sometimes it's your logo. So we're going to go over to Canva or a different photo editing software and create a custom dimension design at 1200 by 1200 pixels. Then we're going to go under uploads and upload media, and I'm going to find the logo file that I want to use here instead on my computer and go ahead and add that into the canvas. And you'll see it puts it right in the center. And the goal here is to keep some area above it and below it because it's a horizontal image when you create your own post, but it's a square image when you go to create a comment. So you have to account for both of these. So let's go ahead and download the PNG file, and then I'm going to open it up in my Finder and rename it so it's named what it actually is. I'm going to go with the name of the company here. And then next you want to go into your WordPress dashboard. Under Plugins, add new, and do a search for the plugin Yoast SEO. Go ahead and install that plugin and then click on Activate. Once it's activated, hover over SEO, click on Social, and you'll see the option to go under Facebook here at the top. You can add an image here to occur site-wide, but you can also set this for each individual post and page on your site. So let's go under Pages, All Pages, and then clicking under the page you want to create a specific image or text for, and click on Edit, and then scroll down to the Yoast SEO section and click on the tab that says Social. Here you can select your image to upload. I'm going to go ahead and add in the brand name again under the alt text, and the image is now going to be used here. And then you also have the option to add in or change your title that shows up under the image, and you can insert the variables they have set here. I'm going to go ahead and add in my site title, and then you can also customize the description that appears below the title. And then don't forget to click on Update to save the page. Now there's one more thing we need to do in order to get this to show up, and we need to go over to the sharing debugger for Facebook. I'll put the link to this in the description below the video. So you add your URL in here and you click on debug. And then what you see is a preview of what it looks like, and it hasn't changed. So you need to click on scrape again. Again, it shows up the same as before. So click scrape again one more time. Sometimes this does take a few tries. Usually 3 is the magic number. And there our logo appears as we have planned. So now let's head back over to Facebook. We'll try our post again with our URL. There it is, looking good with our logo and our title and the description we wrote. And let's try the comment and see how that looks. And there it is. It looks great in both spots. So that's it. It's pretty simple, right? Click the thumbs up if this video has helped you. And while you're in the back end of your WordPress website, if you are interested in learning about how to change the title and the description of each page and post that shows up in Google search engine results, click the video that's right here where I explain how to do just that. And click subscribe if you're enjoying all of these tips and tutorials about running an online business so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.